Control number 1027, please introduce yourself.
I'm Angeline Aquino. Single. I don't have marriage. Catholic religion. My province is Pangasinan. High school graduate.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To support to my family and my sister.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes. For Qatar in 3 years. Finish contract. It's up. In Saudi, 2 years. Finish contract.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
Take it to baby to bath and shower and changing clothes and diapers.
How about newly born babies and children? Do you have experience?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
Changing clothes, give to milk and drink to water.
Aside from your daily household chores, what other special skills can you do inside the house?
Cooking and
What foreign dishes can you cook?
fried rice and soup and sausage.
Describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characters that you think employers will like?
Responsibility and honest and good work and good working.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
And say so.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They will go in my family.
Message for your future employer.
Good being mom. I serve and mom. I do it in my hard working in your house for domestic helper. I do it my best. Thank you.